Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Subnautica on mobile. Get ready to dive into the alien ocean world of planet 4546b, right from your smartphone or tablet. The critically acclaimed survival game is now officially available on both iOS and Android, bringing the full experience to your fingertips. You can explore vast underwater biomes, craft essential gear, and uncover mysteries, all with controls optimized for mobile play. To begin your underwater journey, simply head to your device's App Store. Subnautica is available for purchase on both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Before downloading, ensure your mobile device meets the minimum specifications, such as an A12 Bionic chip or later for iOS, to guarantee a smooth experience. The game offers the same immersive modes as the PC version, including Survival, Freedom, and Creative. The mobile version of Subnautica comes packed with features designed for an excellent handheld experience. You'll find a completely revamped interface, offering intuitive touch controls tailored for smaller screens. Plus, with cloud saving, your progress can be shared across multiple Android or iOS devices, so you never lose your adventure. For those who prefer, full controller support is also integrated, providing a familiar and precise way to navigate the alien ocean. To truly maximize your Subnautica mobile experience, consider a few tips. Connecting a Bluetooth controller can significantly improve your precision and overall comfort during extended play sessions. Always maintain a stable internet connection for seamless cloud saving and to receive the latest game updates. Finally, experiment with the in-game graphics settings to find the perfect balance between stunning visuals and smooth performance on your specific device. Dive in and enjoy the depths.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.